Legends don't fade away. They wait for the perfect moment to return. And today, that moment has arrived. Because what you're looking at is not just another luxury car. This is the rebirth of an icon, the all-new 2026 Mercedes-Benz 300SL Gullwing. A machine that doesn't just honor history, it redefines it. One look at the front, and you already know this is something special. The DNA of the legendary Mercedes-Benz 300SL is alive and unmistakable. Rounded fenders, a low-slung, aggressive stance, and that iconic star sitting proudly. But this isn't a copy of the past, it's evolution. The grille is sharper, more refined. The headlights, modern adaptive LEDs, reinterpret the classic circular design with surgical precision. Even the smallest details, like the subtle red accents along the lower bumper, they whisper performance. From the side, this car is pure sculpture. Long hood, compact rear cabin, a silhouette born from motorsport heritage. But now, it's wider, lower, more aggressive. The iconic side air intakes remain, now carved deeper, finished in gloss black. And those wheels, massive multi-spoke alloys inspired by Mercedes-AMG GT design language, wrapped in high-performance tires with red brake calipers that scream power, even when standing still. This isn't just nostalgia. This is nostalgia at 300 kilometers per hour. At the rear, elegance meets aggression. The smooth curves flow effortlessly into razor-thin LED taillights, minimalist yet unforgettable. The 300SL badge reminds you of its legacy, but the quad exhaust system, that tells you everything you need to know about its future. Carbon accents, dual diffusers, and a stance that looks ready to launch even at a standstill. Step inside, and everything changes. This is where the past meets the future. The cabin of the 2026 Mercedes-Benz 300SL Gullwing is a masterpiece. Two-tone leather wraps around you like a tailored suit. Brushed aluminum trims catch the light with every movement. And then there's the technology. A wide digital display stretches across the dashboard, powered by next-generation AI systems. But somehow, it still feels classic. Circular air vents, stitched dashboard lines, a perfect balance between analog soul and digital intelligence. The seats? Sporty, yet incredibly refined. Whether you're cruising through the city or carving through mountain roads, this car doesn't just carry you, it connects with you. But let's talk about what really matters. What's under the hood? Because this is not just a design statement, it's a beast. A handcrafted 4.0-liter twin-turbo V8 producing nearly 600 horsepower, paired with a lightning-fast dual-clutch transmission. Power is sent to the rear wheels, just like the original Spirit intended. 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in under 3.5 seconds. Let that sink in. A car inspired by the 1950s, now performing like a modern supercar. And here's where it gets even more exclusive. Production will be extremely limited, fewer than 300 units worldwide, each one hand-assembled, a true collector's piece. Expected price? Somewhere between $1.2 and $1.5 million. But this car isn't just about money. It's about legacy. The 2026 Mercedes-Benz 300SL Gullwing isn't just a car, it's a time machine, a bridge between eras, a reminder that true legends never disappear. They evolve, they return, and sometimes they come back stronger than ever.